yeah, if you were gonna get off at the bus station in Korat, this is where you would get let out, and it's not a bad area to be let out in. Korat also has a train station, so but yeah, I definitely recommend taking the bus because it leaves you in a more ideal spot. You don't have to walk very far. I'm gonna have to cut that. So yeah, I recommend taking the bus to go to Korat, you know, because it leaves you in a nice place. If you take the train, then you don't have the best choices of hotels. Yeah, you can take a boat, etc. Go to the center, but there's nothing really near the train station. But it's not too far from here, which is good. But like, this is all where it's popping. You don't want to be anywhere else. We go down the motorway roads. There's a few other clubs and pubs off the motorway, like really all in the university area, just like good fun. And there's like a decent amount of universities here. Oh yeah, we're gonna go here. There's like a good amount, because this is a big city. Like in comparison to other cities, I was in Lopburi. Yeah, it's a big city, but not as many universities all in the same concentration. So here we've got like, I don't know, 5 or 6. By central you've got like, 5 or 6. So thankfully, yeah, the city is a little bit popping, but you'll find that it's mostly younger kids. Depending on your age, you might be alright. With the university kids, they can at least speak some English, which is good. Just gonna check now, see if my friend's shop is open early, but impossible. It's okay. Impossible that it's open now. Even if there was a red light, these cars wouldn't drive 5 miles an hour, bro. Even if the light was red, they wouldn't stop moving. Oh, I don't know if you saw the chefs. Those guys work hard, man. They work hard, man. Hot bar. Let's see. For sure, it's not open. Here you got like this, probably the oldest massage parlor. Yeah, that one. I never even knew this place was open, you know? Yeah, of course he's not open yet, man. Of course he's not open yet. Doesn't look like he's got anything new either. Alright. Let's go to the boys. Nice graffiti. See. I don't know about this hotel, San Sabaya. Yeah, if I can go in at like 3 p.m, you can go to the roof up here of the shop and smoke a joint. Alright. Alright, so that's pretty much it, you know. Need to save battery,